How to purchase 1 gig data with 200 naira on MTN. The activation code to do this is *121#. So let's go. Then select one, that's data for me. How to select this? So this is the data plans. You can purchase 1.5 gig with 500 naira or 1 gig with 200 naira. So let's select number 2. That's 1 gig with 200 naira, and select one to activate it. So as you can see the notification, congratulations, you have successfully purchased 1 gig data for 200 naira to browse your favorite website, and this data is valid for 7 days. So let's check for the data balance now. So as you can see, the data plan is 1023.98 MB. That's more than 1 gig. So this is how to purchase 1 gig data with 200 naira on MTN, and the activation code to do this is *121#. Then you select one.